2026 Honda CB750 Hornet, the ultimate return. The legend awakens. The name Hornet strikes a chord with motorcyclists across the globe. It represents agility, accessible performance, and pure riding fun. Now, Honda is rebooting the icon for a new era. The 2026 CB750 Hornet isn't just an update, it's a full-scale revolution. This is the story of a legendary name reborn, ready to dominate the streets once again. A legacy forged in steel. To understand the future, we must look to the past. The original Honda CB750 of 1969, the Dream CB754, changed motorcycling forever. It introduced reliability and smooth power to the masses. Decades later, the Hornet nameplate continued this legacy of accessible performance with its sharp, naked styling. The 2026 model honors this incredible heritage, combining the spirit of the original CB with the aggressive attitude of the Hornet, unleashing big power. At the heart of the new Hornet lies its most thrilling feature, a big, powerful 755 cubic centimeters parallel twin engine. This isn't just any motor, it's derived from the championship-winning world of MotoGP and the brilliant CRF 1100L Africa twin. Expect a surge of torque that pulls fiercely from low revs, paired with a thrilling top-end rush. This engine is tuned for real-world excitement, making every ride an event. It's a true Hornet sting. Modern mastery. The 2026 Hornet is a technological powerhouse. A sleek TFT display provides all vital information, while multiple riding modes, including a dedicated rain setting, allow you to tailor the bike's character to your environment. Advanced rider aids like cornering ABS and precise traction control work invisibly to boost your confidence, ensuring you have the support to explore the bike's full potential safely and securely. Conclusion: the new king of the streets. The 2026 Honda CB750 Hornet is more than just a motorcycle. It is the culmination of decades of engineering excellence, wrapped in a sharp, aggressive design. It promises the perfect blend of raw, big bike power and the nimble, fun-to-ride character that made the Hornet a legend. This is the next chapter. The king is back. Thank you for reading. For more deep dives into the world of automotive excellence, make sure you are subscribed to MA Autos.